Hi, so I'm going to talk about and introduce you to Overdrive. So first I'll show you how to get there. Let's go to the library database. We're on the main library page, and so we're going to go now to look at the databases and go over here to Overdrive. So this is Overdrive, and what it's used for is to let you borrow ebooks and audiobooks digitally, of course. And so this is the appropriate user audience for this is anyone really. It's more for your entertainment, for your reading, than for research, although you could use it for research if you have a book on here that you're looking to use, and you can't read it or get it anywhere else to reference for your research. But mainly it's not really scholarly works here. So it's for everyone, and so it's a neat thing because it lets you have the digital versions of the books, and you don't have to get the physical copy from the library. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Mine went right in from the library to Overdrive, and it looks like my account is already set up. But you may have to sign in, and to sign in is easy. You just click to sign in, and it'll ask you which school, which is where you choose BYU Idaho, and then your card number, which you'll enter as your I number without any dashes, hyphens, or spaces. So I'll show you a few things. So one, you can go to search and search for a book. And again, these aren't really scholarly books. These are more of popular books. So for example, I'll search for Unbroken. And we'll use this to show you how to rent the books. So here we see is the audiobook. Here's two versions of Unbroken, and so we want to borrow the ebook. So we select the period for how long we want to borrow it, and we borrow it. So this will show up and tell us how long we have it and see how we want to look at it. So with this download, you have to have the app, and so I've tried downloading this file, but it doesn't work on my computer because I have to download some app. And so that's kind of where I would say is a negative part, is that you have to get the app to be able to read that download. But at the same time, it comes in handy because you can get the app on your computer, your tablet, or your phone, and you can be able to read or listen to the audio on any of those platforms. But what does work on my computer now is to just read now in browser. So it may take a moment to load. So here it is, and to skip forward, you can just click with your mouse, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard and to flip through. So that's the book. We'll just go to chapter 13 just to see demonstrate what it's like. So there you have it. If I want to go back and I want to go to kind of my account, look at what books I have. I can do this here, and you'll see that I have 3 books, and I can read them all or listen, as this is an audio book. I'll show you what it looks like for an audiobook instead of an ebook. So yeah, that's that. And at the end of the 14 days, it just goes out of your loan area, and so you don't have to worry about a late book or anything. And so yeah, that's a positive point of this, is that you don't have to worry about returning anything, and you can use the app anywhere. The negative is that, I mean, you have to get the app for your computer, and also that this isn't really research oriented. So overall, it's a great database, and that we're privileged to use, being here as part of BYU Idaho. So thank you.